Hello, my name is René Bernard and I'm from the Quest Center for Quality, Ethics, Open Science and Translation in Berlin, Germany. I'm here to demo for you our tool called fiddle, which is an acronym for File Drawer Data Liberation Effort. We all have good data from well-designed experiments that are stuck in a file drawer, and those data haven't yet made it into the scientific literature. So, why is that? Maybe you haven't had the time to write up your results, or you have an interesting data set that you don't have the expertise to analyze. Perhaps you did prepare a manuscript, however, it was rejected because the results were not completely novel, not significant, or didn't show the hypothesized effect. Fiddle is designed to help researchers to identify the best option for publishing these types of studies. In the last decade, several alternative publication formats have emerged that make it easier to publish file drawer datasets or manuscripts. These include datasets, micropublications, preprints, data journals, publishing platforms, and journals open to null results. Not every dataset or manuscript fits to each of these formats. Fiddle helps you to find the most appropriate publication format for your dataset and circumstances. Now let me show you how Fiddle works. Fiddle is a free web-based Shiny app that can be accessed with any web browser. The Fiddle screen is divided into two parts. On the left, you provide input about the features of your dataset and your needs. The right part displays 6 different publication formats and highlights the suggestions based on your input. There are 2 different ways to tell Fiddle what you're looking for. The default input format options allows you to select specifics that are important or relevant to you, including the current status of your manuscript, how much funding you have available for publishing, and whether you want the outcome to be peer-reviewed. If you click on Go to Scenarios, the input switches to statements describing possible reasons why your data ended up in the file drawer. After selecting the scenario that describes your situation the best, you will be presented with matching formats for publications in the scenario you specified. The 6 format choices list helpful parameters for comparison, such as required effort, cost, time to publication, whether materials are peer-reviewed, what databases index materials, and whether versioning is possible. So even without selecting anything, you can easily compare these formats and find the best option for your file drawer data. Fiddle also has links to some providers for each format. Fiddle is hosted and maintained by us in the Quest Center. If you want to learn more about the effects of the file drawer phenomenon and publication bias on the scientific literature, check out our accompanying publication. Thanks for watching this video. We hope that Fiddle will help you to get your unpublished data into the scientific community, where others can learn from your carefully designed experiments.